Welcome to the latest Gmail Extension of the Week guide. In this guide, I'll explain how you can use an extension to make Gmail the default web application that automatically opens when you click on a link on the web. Let's get straight into it. Google Chrome extensions are small apps that can be installed into your Chrome web browser in order to change or improve how Gmail works. If you don't know how to find and install Chrome extensions for Gmail, check out the Woggle Guide shown above that explains how to do this. I'm logged into Google and I'm in my Gmail inbox. Today we'll look at the Send from Gmail extension. The link for this app is shown in the description below as always. Once added to Gmail, the Send from Gmail app solves a very common problem you've probably experienced yourself. When you're trying to contact a company or person on the web, often they'll provide a link you can click on to directly send them an email, just like this contact page for Dell. If I click on that link, however, you'll see that the email opens in the default mail application on my Apple Mac. But like you, I use Gmail. Let me show you how the Send from Mail extension solves this problem. Once installed on your Chrome browser, you'll see a new small icon appears at the top of the web browser to indicate it is working. With that done, if I now click on the email link on this page, this time a Gmail Compose window is opened, and you can write the email and send that email as you would do normally from your Gmail account. One other bonus this extension offers is that if you're on a web page which you want to share, then you can click on the Send from Gmail icon to quickly do this. Doing this opens a new Email Compose window, and the web address for that page you were visiting has already been added to the email. I hope you found this guide useful and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to Woggle Guides by clicking on the screen to get notifications of each new Gmail extension review every week. Thanks for watching.